Welcome to the video. The Panjšēr Valley. It is also spelled Panjšēr or Panjšēr. In Pashto or Dari, Daryi Panjšēr. It is literally Valley of the Five Lions. It is a valley in north-central Afghanistan. 150 kilometers north of Kabul. Near the Hindu Kush mountain range. It is divided by the Panjšēr River. The valley is home to more than 100,000 people, including Afghanistan's largest concentration of ethnic Tajiks. In April 2004, it became the heart of the new Panjšēr province, having previously been part of Parwan province. It was the site of the Panjšēr offensives fought by the Democratic Republic of Afghanistan and the Soviets against the Mujahideen during the Soviet-Afghan War from 1980 to 1985. When local commander Ahmad Shah Massoud successfully defended the valley from being taken. The valley again witnessed renewed fighting during the 1996-2001 civil war between the Taliban and the Northern Alliance under the command of Massoud, where he again defended it from being overrun by the Taliban. The Panjšēr Valley was considered one of Afghanistan's safest regions during the era of the ISAF-backed government, and is presently that as on late August 2021. The main bastion of resistance to the Taliban in Afghanistan by the Taliban announced that hundreds of fighters were headed towards the valley on the 22nd of August 2021. Former Vice President Amrullah Saleh and Ahmad Massoud, son of former anti-Soviet Mujahideen commander Ahmad Shah Massoud, have vowed to resist the Taliban from Panjšēr, which repelled both Soviet forces and the Taliban in the 1980s and 1990s. The alliance has claimed to retake districts in northeast Afghanistan on August 22, led by former military, special forces, police and more. The Biden administration has not answered the plea for help publicly to restock the anti-Taliban forces with supplies made by Ahmad Massoud in an op-ed in the Washington Post. Let's hope Ahmad Massoud and Amrullah Saleh will put good fight against the terror group.